So Nazir and again Surya. Nazir, are you a newcomer?
Yeah, this is like my first class, but I asked for a demo link and I got this.
Really?
Yeah, this is my first class.
Okay, okay. Okay, Nazir, like, let me know, like, your introduction on this.
So uh, I finished my master's and I'm looking for a job, and along the side I wanted to get some real-time knowledge about about data engineering. So that is why I look for these online classes, and I'm here for that.
Okay, sure. Okay, all right. Like, just like we need to understand, like, what exactly it is. Okay. See, data engineering concepts, and again, this is what, like, GCP data engineering. So we're doing this classes completely hand to hand here. And so we'll wait, like, okay. Anyway, we'll start with proceeding. Uh, do you aware of this Nazir and again Surya, Google Cloud? Hello, hello, hello. Hello.
Yeah, yes.
Google Cloud. Yeah. All right. So in the Google Cloud, if you are aware, that's a great thing. And again, fine. So in the Google Cloud, the services I'm going to cover. But meanwhile, Surya, do you have a Google Cloud account?
Mm, yeah. No, Vishwa. Actually, I can't. In my office, yes, I have, but I don't have like with my like for my own laptop. Mm. With office laptop, actually, I can able to access it. Because in my office, we also actually we are currently using this one only, Google Cloud platform for the like as a data source.
Okay. 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 Google Cloud only you guys are using data source. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay, my Google Cloud account. Let me check with my account. 1 second. So everyone need to create a Google Cloud account. And again, meanwhile, Nazir. So like this is the third day of demo classes. And again, this is what end-to-end services. I'm going to share my knowledge in this Google Cloud. So finally, end of the day, after completion of Google Cloud also, I'll be sharing the knowledge about like AWS services. Like it is a additional complementary from my end. So how to do this data injection? And again, this is a data lifecycle basically. So generally, we are taking here Google Cloud only, but end of our this classes. So I'm taking this AWS services of data engineering. Like the data lifecycle, we need to understand data injections, data lake, and again application integrations, and again data pipeline orchestrations, and again where we are getting the data sources from multiple areas, and again finally we are doing this analytics part. So this is the one thing. The same services also we are going to use here, the services for the collecting, like pub and again sub will be collecting the data from the Google Cloud, like Google Cloud pub sub, and again data stream, and again database migration services, and again data transfer services, and again this is a like collecting data. and again processing the data with the data flow with the streaming, and again data proc, right? So here again, in this case, like data fusion, and again composer, and again data prep. Okay. Finally, the store, like a relation database, and again the NoSQL database we're doing, and again BigQuery. And again, meanwhile, how many of them are good at SQL and again NoSQL queries?
Yeah. Yes, Vishwa. Yes, I'm okay with SQL and all.
Okay, NoSQL.
No, actually, I don't have like any exposure on that.
Okay, great. No worries. So Sandeep, how about you? Nazir, Sandeep.
I have no experience, Vishwa, regarding SQL.
Okay. Okay.
Even I don't have any knowledge about it.
Okay, SQL not there is no at all, right? Okay, anyway. So okay. The first topic in the Google Cloud, right? So and again the same syllabus I'm taking there. And again, meanwhile, the Google Cloud services, especially how to create a projects and again storage buckets, and again the IAM user and again policies there. And after that, the basic 3 days of the database classes. And again, after that, I will be starting with data. What is it? The overall 4 days. So the first day completely cloud navigation, and again, meanwhile, the cloud completely end-to-end services, RLs, resources, understanding that one, and again provisioning like few of the things provisioning. These are the things I'll be doing on this. And so SQL database also. SQL database we can take like 2 days, and again NoSQL 1 day is fine. So both I'll be covering with the command lines, because we need to log into the NoSQL databases and again running the few queries and again understanding the logics there. Okay, right? Everyone, is it okay? If all are okay to join the classes.
Yeah, Vishwa.
Fine then. All right. So this is what I used to do then this. Next, the main I think data. So data lifecycle mainly going with the basically data engineer. What is the data engineer lifecycle every day? Data injection is the first point. Second one, data transformation, and again data storaging, and again data warehousing, and again data preparations, and again streaming, and again batch processing. This is the left side. We need to understand this end to end. So what is the data engineering life cycle? The data engineering life cycle is nothing but you'll be doing that the best first thing. What you will do, data gathering, data analysis, and again data transformation, and again data preparations, and again after that, this is what this data engineer will do, right? And again, next thing, what it will come, machine learning implementations with data scientist engineers. What they will do, they will develop the model. So what are the models here? Models are nothing but it is a predefined mathematical equations which is created by the linear algebra. And again, that especially with supervised learning, unsupervised learnings, K algorithms, a random forest, right? So this is the multiple algorithms we use to develop our own model, our own models, right? So that is what whenever the data engineer has been given the data gathering, and again for that for data gathering we're having a tool. That data gathering is nothing but injection. For that injections, what we are taking in the Google Cloud, we're doing the Google PubSub, right? That is called as a data gathering. And again, after doing this, data analysis we will be doing. And again, after that, data transformation or else data preparations. What is this transformation in the sense? That is what in the Google Cloud data flow it will do. Google Cloud data flow is something, but it is a ETL concept. I mean, extract, transform, and again load. The name itself, I said in the Google Cloud, data engineer, what you will do? First thing, data gathering. After that, data analyzing, and again, data transformation, and also data preparations. That is what the two services we're going to use here. One is Google PubSub, and again another one is Google Cloud Data Transfer and Google Cloud Data Flow also, right? So after that, finally, transformation in the serverless application, that is Google Cloud Functions. These are the main important services we're going to learn in the cloud, right? So after that, model development, model testing, and again model validating, and again model model validating, and again model evaluating, and again model serving, and again model saving, and as model migration, and again model monitoring, and again model security. This will be done the part of ML ops engineer and again ML engineer. But nowadays, ML ops engineer is also a combination of data engineer. This data engineer nowadays, you should learn this ML ops tools, that is like Apache Airflow, Apache Hadoop, and again Kubeflow, and again MLflow. These tools should be added advantage to accomplish this data engineering task. Apart from like whatever you write Python code to fetch the queries, and again to make this smoother way to transform the data, right? So that is one of the main thing we should do. And again, Google Cloud Storage. Is it clear, Nazir? Is it clear, everyone? Sandeep, Murali,
Yeah.
Surya, Sandeep, Nazir, thank you. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So this is the extreme right, whatever I mentioned here, data injection, Google PubSub, Google Cloud Data, and again, Google Cloud Data Flow, and again, Google Cloud Functions, and again, the data storage part, right? Google Cloud Storage. And after that, data warehousing, we should learn Google BigQuery. Yes, I'm taking this one. And again, Google Data Preparation, and again, by default, Google PubSub plus Data Flow, and again, Google Cloud Data Flow, the same thing, batch processing. This is what I used to do. And again, the part of introduction also I'll be giving with ML apps. What is ML apps here? Generally, data gathering first you do, data analysis you will do, and again after that data transformation you will do, after that data preparation you will do. After this, doing with automation with ETL concept with any data engineering tools in the cloud tools, especially in the Google Cloud, the data collecting from the multiple storages, and again implementing the Google Cloud Fusion, and again Google Cloud Data Flow or Google Cloud Data Proc. So by doing this, you'll be transforming the data and again preparing the data, collecting that data, and again making the model training, and again development, and again validating, and again monitoring, and again retraining will be done and again taken care by data scientists. They will do only development. But nowadays, this is called as ML apps. But this ML apps replacing by the data engineer jobs future. Okay. Is it clear? And again, these are the services, and in the real-time projects, we can take the data from the multiple format, either AVRFO format, either Paraquat format, and again doing the deployment. Yeah. Any questions on this? Yeah. If there is no any questions, so we'll create a Google Cloud account. So in the tomorrow class, and again we'll do the practical implementation of the classes. Is it clear, right?
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Thank you for that, because I need to
So,
come to. Yeah, yes.
so Vishwa, is it possible for us to share this document? I mean, the syllabus, what you are going to cover?
Yeah, sure. This
Because I
documentation.
mean, it's the starting part. Yeah.
Okay, this documentation, right? I'll share it away right
Yeah.
away.
Yeah. Yeah. The curriculum of our, course.
And again, 1 second.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Vishwa.
Thank you. So we'll meet tomorrow, everyone. Thank you for this. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you, Nazir, Surya.
Thank you, Vishwa.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwa.
Thank you.